welcome. In this tutorial video, I will illustrate how you can open the KIWI Explore module. To open the KIWI Explore module, you must already be working inside KIWI in one of the following four modules: Workbench, Manage, Summarize, or Visualize. You cannot open Explore from the Knowledge portal. From KIWI Workbench, you must select a data set from a data folder. Those are the folder shown with the blue icon. So you must select one or more data set and then click on the Open menu and select the Explore option. In KIWI Manage, you can select a data set from a data folder or select a NumM table output for a NumM run. And for that, you must select the Data for Exploration tab and select one or more tables. You will be also able to select the input dataset for these models from here. So you can select one or more of these files and then click on the Explore button in the toolbar of the center region. From a summarize page, which is specific to one NumM estimation run, you must click on Open and select the Explore submenu. This will expand and list the input table, the input dataset and the output table. You must select one of these two files, and this would be the file you want to export to Explore. Similarly, in Visualize module page, you can go into the Open menu, select the Explore submenu, and you can see the same list of input dataset and output table that you can send to KIWI Explore. This concludes this presentation of the method to open Explore Live from various KIWI modules.